So here's something I haven't done for a while, which is because of my surgery and stuff. And since the weather is pristine, I will be taking the Autel Evo 2 to the gun range. Let's go. One of the most important things you should do before going to the gun range, like ours in Hawaii, there's no bathroom. So use the bathroom before you go. So we reached the 61 mile marker, set up our targets. This is Mikey, Fish. Fish has plenty guns and he likes to shoot. So we're gonna have some fun today.
Yeah.
She broke it. Oh, it's gotta be the woman who broke it.
Shut up.
Of course, it's gotta be my wife who has to break the target. You know, she used the big guns and she breaks the target. All right, let's see what she did there. God damn it. So it looks like that the arm ripped off on the top. So we gotta fix that. It's okay.
Still standing.
It's still standing. I guess it all matters to her if it's still standing. What the hell? First one. Here we go. Mrs. Aloha gets to shoot with the competition pistol. So it's already 5:30. We spent how much here?
5 hours.
5 hours at the shooting range. So we're gonna start packing up.
Yeah, good fun today.
We had fun. I hope you guys had fun too. If you guys do go to the gun range, please don't fly your drone. If you guys fly it, please be safe doing it, and make sure that you're not in a range and not getting on anybody's nerves. If you guys enjoyed this episode, please don't forget, like, subscribe, hit the bell. Until then, be a nice human, make somebody else smile. Definitely pay it forward. Love you all. Aloha.